The cheapest car insurance near me. One requires by law that you obtain the automobile insurance, and it is for the good reason. If you enter a car accident and you do not have any insurance, you could finish upwards in a fate of trouble. You could finish to the top of the payment for repairing of car as well as of repairs on the second car if the accident involved two cars and it was your fault. You could think that spending $1,000 on a 1-year automobile insurance is hard, but it will be worth it when you are in trouble. Even if you think that you will never enter an accident, you are completely wrong, because you never know. Even some of the best drivers get in the accidents because of someone else's control. When it is time to obtain the automobile insurance, it is certainly your advantage to compare the prices. Before you do this, you must know what you seek. This will depend on many factors. You must take account of your age, male, female, and history of driving, as well as details on the subject of your car. How old is your car? Which year made it is? What is its present market cost? Which kind of insurance do you want? When shopping for automobile insurance, think about what advantages you want. Are you searching for the cheapest insurance feasible, or do you want excellent coverage and superior customer service? Do not fall prey to humorous commercials. Research a company before you decide to opt for it. Search on search engines if you want to obtain car insurance quotes from some of the top insurance corporations. Few car insurance companies present discounts. Usually the cheaper companies do not offer discounts, as they already offer a cheaper cost. At the similar time, they do not offer as excellent coverage. If you can afford it, it is better to go with the corporation that costs a little more and offers superior coverage that will ultimately give you discounts. They will possibly end up costing the similar in a few years, but for extra coverage. On the other hand, if you are a careless driver and you think you could never get these discounts but still desire cheap insurance, then go for the cheap insurances. Better yet, learn how to drive more safely and make the roads a slight safer.